So the rust repair in these corners has been done, and I got a new windshield in with my new trim and everything. And it's actually been raining the last couple of days, and it's dry as a rock. So looks like the repair worked. It's all done. I'm ready to get everything back in here, carpet and everything else, get everything under the dash. I have some spots here with some rust. Probably gonna hit those with the wire wheel. See right there too. I'm gonna hit those with the wire wheel and then put some rust encapsulator on that before I do everything else. So some acetone to clean up the area. Just some surface rust here. It looks like it was pitting a little bit, but it all cleaned up. Now that I cleaned it up, since I've got some pitting, I'm going to use some fast etch just as a precaution. Spray it in this area where there was surface rust. Let that soak for about 20 minutes. Then I'll clean it up with the acetone. Okay, while that fast etch does its magic on the passenger side, I'll head up the driver's side with the same thing with the wire wheel. Looks like on this side it's less pitting. It looks more like surface rust. So. Okay, once again, the fast etch. Okay, you can see where it's working. That shiny metal turns dull. That's the zinc phosphate coating that the fast etch leaves behind. And the pitted area, it turns black. The fast etch gets into all those little pinholes where it treats the rust, and when it turns black like that, you know it's converted, it's done its job. I'm going to hit it with a little bit more fast etch in the pitted area. Going to hit it with the wire wheel one more time. You just get further down into the pitting and cleans it up even better. A little bit more fast etch. Just a little bit more. And I'll let that sit down for like 10 minutes and I'll clean the rest of it. let this sit for a little while. I'm gonna hit it with acetone. I believe this is what they recommend, is acetone to neutralize the fast etch. Got my rust encapsulator, Eastwood rust encapsulator plus matte black. This is the stuff I used around the pillars for the windshield and stuff when I repaired that rust. There's no mixing with this stuff, so I really like this product. It's really easy to use. If you don't have a spray gun and you're doing like a small repair like this, you know, you just shake it up, take a stir stick, stir her up, make sure it's really stirred up really well, make sure there's nothing settling, make sure there's nothing settled on the bottom, that it's all uniformly mixed. Okay, and then once you got that all mixed, I just take, for a small project like this, I just take a little brush like this. They don't recommend a foam brush, but you know, I've got like 30 of these things in different sizes, and I'm gonna give this 2 or 3 coats, so it's not gonna matter. All right, it's all mixed up. Paint it on right over my repair, just like that. So I'm going to do at least 2 coats. So there's my first coat, and then I'm going to let that set up a little bit, let it flash over a little bit, and then I'll come over and do a second coat. And the second coat should really cover and lay it on, and that should be that. That repair is done. Gonna do the same thing to the passenger side, and we'll finish this up. All right, that fast etch has been working its magic over here, so it's time to clean it up with the acetone. Do this the same way. We're just gonna, now that it's all cleaned up, we're just gonna paint it on. It's such a DIY friendly product. No compressor needed, no spray gun needed for a small job like this, where popping open the can and just brushing it on where you need it. That is a great product. The passenger side has had time to flash, so now I can hit it with that second coat and finish my coverage, and that'll be it for this. All right, 2 coats, complete coverage. Went beyond my repair area. Everything was scuffed up. All right, the driver's side has a little bit more time, maybe like 5 more minutes to flash, and then I'll hit it with the second coat. Alright, there you have it, 2 coats. I'm gonna let that cure, and then I'm gonna take out my dashboard, put in the firewall matting, start getting those heater boxes and AC boxes in there, and then putting this thing back together, including the new carpet. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.